Hello, ladies and gentlemen. It's Mike here at Gamefromscratch, and it is that time of the month again. Yes, it is time for free stuff. First, we got a bunch of new stuff from Epic Games, completely free for Unreal Engine, and in this case, Unity developers, as well as a couple of other freebies to go through. So without further ado, let us jump right in. Now, you may notice things are going to be a little bit different this week. Simply put, a bit of a hang-up or a snafu on getting these into my account. So I'm using the presentation for each individual asset right now. And the one you see in front of you, this is Dragon Cave. Pretty straightforward asset. It's for Unreal Engine only, although of course you can get it exported out to other engines. I have guides down below how to get it out to Godot, Unity, etc. This one is pretty straightforward. It is an environmental asset for this underground bridge dragon gate thing. Nice looking asset. And then the second one we've got is probably the one that'll get people the most excited, and it is Surface Forge. Now this one is all about blending and mixing materials together. So you got up to 6 blending systems. The different materials can all be blended together using vertex paint or mesh painting in Unreal Engine 5.5 or higher. You got smart layer controls, but on top of that, you've got some special abilities there. So, for example, on a puddle, you can turn on procedural puddle creation and have ripples and waves and droplets and so on going on inside of those puddles. Pretty cool stuff there. Obviously, this one is very much for Unreal Engine only as well. And then our final asset, there's no video for it, but you can see it right now. This is the Atlantis Ruins, not Atlantic, Atlantis Ruins. 37 assets here. You'll notice this one has both Unreal Engine and Unity assets available, which is pretty nice. When it comes to any of these, you could pick between personal or pro. It really doesn't make a difference. It's Unreal Engine or Epic Games picking up the tab anyways, so it doesn't matter which one you pick. Once it's in your account, even if you start making more money later on, doesn't matter which version you bought originally. It's all based off of how much money you make right now. And like I said, Epic Games are picking these up for free. So you have 2 weeks to pick these up. You have until August the 11th. We'll go through the other two, the overview page of them in just a second, but a couple other things to go through as well. The Unity Asset Store Publisher of the Week has returned, which is lovely. So you can get a free asset on the Unity Asset Store. You need to use the code at checkout. In this case, it's L2026. And in this case, you are getting an RPG Animations NPC pack. So you see over here, basically go ahead, add it to cart, use that at checkout, and it is yours to keep forever. A ton of animations for NPCs in an RPG. Pretty straightforward. And then on top of that, in addition to the particular asset, you can actually get all of their other stuff will be for sale for 50% off. So if you want to pick up some other animation packs, they are 50% off on the Unity Asset Store. Speaking of Unity, another one, and I couldn't fit this one in really anywhere else, so hey, it goes in the free video. They had Unite Soul last week, and I already did like 3 videos last week on Unity, so I think that's enough anyways. But they also announced this, Bunny Blitz. It's a new 2D example. Well, technically, it's on actually using creating a 3-game looking 2D style and how to blend the two together. So it's a new sample on how all those things ultimately work together. Nice new sample if you want to do like a 2.5D side scroller platform type game. That is what they have released there. And obviously, it's taking advantage of the latest and greatest of the new 2D things in the tool set as well. So that was just released at Unite Soul. And then we also have a new bundle free tier. Now this one, if you're very fast at checking this video out, by the way, good on you. And if you're not, hey, you should hit that like and subscribe. You'll find out these things immediately when they go live. But right when this goes live, this bundle may not technically be up yet. So just tune back in later in the day. If not, you do have a bit of a time limit, but this is over on Bundle Foundry. They have this new bundle here from Decagon. So you got a number of different environments and assets and so on. These are available on the Fab Marketplace. They redeem there. You'll notice there is a freebie available. There are a number, there's a limit to the number, 800 free left, but you can get the modular offices and props pack like so. Pretty straightforward. It's like, again, things you need, scaffolding, walls, and so on to create a modular office building. Grab that completely free on Fab. So that one is, again, available on Bundle Foundry. Bundles, they have a free tier. Again, a limited number of slots of each one, but they have a number of other bundles going on as well. A lot of them, though, the free tier will have been used up. So let's use this one for example. there's 300 left in there. So there are other asset bundles going on as well. We've covered them in previous weeks, such as the Ultimate Scant PBR Materials bundle as well. I will have a direct link to all of the bundles that are still live that have free stuff. By the way, if you buy anything while you're there, it does support me if you use my link, and I thank you very much if you do so. Then we also have this one. This is from a site called Jettelly, and they're basically saying they're soft launching their new free asset section. Check it out, which I did. So you go over here and you'll find in the asset section, you have a number of different, kind of a random number of assets. So you got idle games, UI and specular assets for doing a casino style game, a couple others. Interesting enough, these are for the Godot game engine, as you can see right here. So a number of, UI packs. Obviously, you could actually use that in just about anything if you really wish. But you'll notice here again, VFX pack cross section. This is a shader for the Godot game engine. This one right here, sprite sheet for casual style things, and so on. So a bunch of new assets available here. I'm assuming by this saying that this is a soft launch, they're going to be having more free assets available in the future, which is kind of cool. And then I also found this one right here from a fellow by the name of Forsaken Pixels. It is a set of pixel art packs. The first one is a character with 4-direction idle, walking, and running, as you see right there. And then 2 pixel packs. One is an autumn setting, trees and so on. And then the other one is a different forest, just not in the autumn. So again, 2 environmental packs available for free from him as well. The only kind of caveat that he's got is do not resell them, which seems pretty reasonable. And then we go back to the newbies. So from Epic Games, all on Fab, by the way, we have Surface Forge 1.1. Again, for kind of combining and blending various different materials together, like so. And then you can create a number of different effects, including, as I mentioned earlier on, if you got puddles, you can have puddles and have rippling in those puddles and so on. A neat little pack there, probably the star of the show as far as assets go. We've got Dragon Cave, again, super straightforward on this one. It is this environmental pack of this gate or bridge and some dragon statues overhead and so on. Your typical high fantasy dungeony setting. Again, completely modular in nature. I do think they have a breakdown summary so you get an idea of the kind of assets that you're getting in this particular pack there. And then, of course, the last one was the Atlantis Ruins. You got 37 assets in this particular pack. And once again, let's go find the summary page. There is what you're getting in this pack. And again, the interesting thing about this one is you get out of the box, not only for Unreal Engine, but also for the Unity game engine. So you can download this as a Unity asset package and import it into your project and go from there. So ladies and gentlemen, that is this week's freebies. You have until August 11th to, air quotes, buy the Fab assets. I highly recommend, even if you're not using them today, hoard, and hoard some more, because at some point in the future, you may need them. Or of course, you can export them to work in other game engines. Those guides are available down below. So that is this week's freebies. Again, Atlantis. We got the Publisher of the Week over on the Unity Asset Store. We also have the Bunny Blitz 2D and 3D sample project they released. The new bundle from Bundle Foundry, specifically this free asset for modular office environments. We have a number of new assets over here on, I already forgot the name again, Jelly something. We got this free pixel pack, and of course, the other Fab Market assets. Let me know what you think. Comments down below. I'll talk to you all later. Goodbye.